Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogenious Ideas. In this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to calculate distance by coordinates. So you have two locations, you have the geo coordinates of the first one, the longitude and the latitude. You also have the geo coordinate information for the second location. With Python, I'll show you how to calculate the distance between both locations. So this is the package you'll be using. The name of the package is geopy. Geopy is a Python library that has a lot of services connected to it, okay? But geopy has methods by which we can calculate distance. We can calculate it using the great circle calculation. We can also calculate it using the geodesic calculation, okay? So for us to do both of them, you can just come to the Python script. The first thing you want to do is to pip install geopy, then you make sure that is installed, then from geopy import distance, okay. Then the next thing you want to do is to have your first coordinate, coord 1, okay. Coord 1 is going to be a tuple. Coord 2 will also be a tuple, okay. So for this first one, this is University of London, England. Let me say geo coordinates. So let me just get the geo coordinates of the University of London, England. So this is the latitude and the longitude, okay. So copy and okay, so this is the coordinates of the University of London, England. Then let me just bring in the University of Manchester, okay, Manchester, England. So this is the latitude and this is the longitude. So let me just copy everything, bring it into the tuple, then delete this. Okay, so this is the latitude and this is the longitude. Don't forget, this is University of London and this is University of Manchester. So moving on, I told you we have two calculations we can use. We have the geodesic calculation. We also have the great circle calculation. So for the geodesic calculation, which is the default that comes with geopy distance, you can just calculate, let me just say dd, which is equal to distance dot, um, let me say distance dot distance. Then I'll pass in coord 1 comma coord 2, okay. Then I can just print geo disc distance, then print dd dot kilometers. That is the distance in kilometers, okay. If I want to get the distance in miles, print dd dot miles, okay. So this is basically the geodesic calculation, but we can also have the great circle calculation. For the great circle calculation, just great circle, okay. Then great circle, great circle calculation, distance, great circle, then copy. Okay, so this is going to be giving me the geodesic calculation, while this is giving me the great circle calculation. And that is all for the tutorial basically, but let's check it out. So save this and run your code. You can see this is the Geo Disc Distance 259, and actually the Geo Disc Distance, you can see it's just slightly, you have a slight difference between the two of them. You can also see the great circle distance. It's just a slight difference between the two of them, so you can just juggle the two of them together, then you know which one works for you. Okay, so that will be all for this tutorial. Thank you for staying till the end. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.